Let's see your paddling. Can I see how you paddle?
I paddle like straight. And then,
You might want to switch your hands, dude. See, that's okay on that side. That's okay. Now try the other side. Well, now you got to switch hands. Well, yep. Sort of.
So here, let's see. Here you can have a better idea how high the water was. Look, how the dark line on the tree.
Wow.
oh, Mom, look over there. That looks so cool.
All right, Clark, let's see your paddling. Go.
That looks so cool over there. Like those shadows on the
I know. Aren't those shadows cool?
That's from the water.
Go, paddle.
And so to those bushes. Yes. Yay, we got into the bushes.
It's not that. There's some, yes, but not much. Because the Negro is a river of acid water. Yeah. So you don't have mosquitoes.
Everything's so neat in this river.
Hmm?
Let's try to catch up to Dad.
Let's get him.
That's why we left wildlife. Okay? It's a nice
Because if we're the